Yes, it's clear.
Now, parler is my verb to speak. Now, because parler is my er ending verb. The verb is ending from er. One thing you have to understand in French language, we have three type of verbs: ending from er, ending from ir, and ending from re. Is it clear to you? Basically, in French language, we have three types of verbs. Yes. Now, for example, we have verb parler, which is my e-running verb. Okay. We have verb choisir. Repeat after me. Choisir.
Choisir.
Choisir is my IR running verb. The literal meaning of choisir is to choose. Okay. The literal meaning of choisir is to choose. Okay. Then we have verb descendre. Descendre is my verb to get down. And this is my RE ending verb. So basically in French language, any verb, either it will end from IR, either it will end from either it will end from ER, either it will end from IR, and either it will end from RE. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Can you repeat the word Ari wala?
Descendre. Descendre. Descendre is to get every. Now today the session is under recording, and I will share the recording so that you will come to know the pronunciation also, and I will share the recording also. Okay. So parler is to speak, choisir is to choose, and descendre is to get down. Is it clear to you? Clear? Clear?
Yeah, yeah, clear.
Now, what is now because in French language we have formula. Some verbs obviously we have the formula, but some verbs we have 10% verbs wherein we do not have formula. 90% verbs, mademoiselle, we work on the formula, but yes, 10% verbs which we do not have the formula. Is it clear to you? Now, for example, if we have e running verb, it is just here to repeat after me, Abhi, and I will explain to you. Repeat after me. E, E S E, O N S, E Z, E N T. Is it clear to you? So, what is the formula of e running verb? I will explain to you why we are working on this. Repeat it. What is the formula of e running verb? That is E, E S E, O N S E Z E N T. Is it clear to you? Clear? The formula of I running verb is I S I S I T I S S O N S I S S E Z and I S S E N T. So basically, the formula, what I need to do now. For example, I pick the verb parlay. Okay. Now what I need to do is I have to eliminate ear at the end. That's a rule. Okay. And I have to insert these endings. Now, for example, we have e running verb, right? Er ending verb. Okay. So I have to remove er and I have to insert those endings. So I will do PARLE, PARLES, PARLE, PARLONS, PARLEZ, and PARLENT. So this formula I have to insert. It is just I have to remove ER and insert a formula of E, ESE, ONS, EZ, ENT. Now, first E belongs to my je. Je is to I. Je parle. Clear?
Correct.
You have done right. Je parle. Second belongs to my tu, which is my informal tu parle. Okay. My third belongs to il and el, which is my he and she. Clear? My fourth belongs to nous, which is we, nous parlons. Clear?
Clear.
And then we have vous, which is formal speech. Whenever we are speaking to the elder ones, vous parlez and il, elle parle. Is it clear to you? Clear? Now, ici, maintenant. We have verb choisir. Now I have to remove ir. Okay. And after removing ir, I have to make like is, it. So chois. Then the formula is is. Then we have choisis. Okay. choisit. Okay. choisissons. It is just I have to insert the endings. So for ironing verb, it is just you have to understand the formula, remove ir and insert the ending. Then we have choisissez. Okay. And then we have choisissent. So what I have done over here, it is just I have to insert the formula of is, it, issons, issez, and issent. So I will say je choisis, je choisis. Why choisis? Because s would not get pronounced at the end. Tu choisis. Is it clear to you? Il, elle choisit. Nous choisissons. Nous choisissons. Vous choisissez. And il, elle choisissent. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you,
Nous
mademoiselle?
nous choisissons
Je choisis. Bolo.
and vous.
Repeat after me. Je choisis.
Je choisis.
Tu choisis.
Vous choisis.
Il, elle choisit. Il, elle choisit. Repeat it, please. Il, elle choisit. Nous choisissons. Okay.
Nous choisissons.
Vous choisissez. Vous choisissez.
आओ ये कैसे बना? Vous
Choisissez. EZ sound is A. Have you done that? EZ sound is A. So, vous choisissez. Claire?
choisissez. Yeah, Claire.
Okay. And then, il, elle, pluriel, choisissent. Okay.
Choisis.
Claire? Now, par exemple, we have verb agir. Now, agir over here is to act. You know, is to act. So, agir is my ironing verb again. What is the formula of ironing verb? You will say is, okay, that's fine. I will say je agis because I have to remove ir and insert is. So over here we have two vowels together, right? Two vowels together. So I can say j'agis. Is it clear to you? J'agis, repeat after me. J'agis, tu agis. It is just I have to remove IR and I'm inserting a formula of IS. Il, elle agit. Is it clear to you? Nous,
First,
over here we have agissons.
no, what was the first one again?
J'agis,
J'agis.
tu agis, tu agis because S would be silent. Il, elle agit, T would be silent. Nous agissons, ISSONS. So nous agissons, clair? Okay. Vous agissez. Why? Because we have to combine S and A. So za. Vous agissez and il, elle agissent. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Can you repeat the last three, please?
I will repeat one more time. J'agis. Repeat after me. J'agis.
J'agis.
Tu agis. बोलो आप. Tu agis. Tu agis. Il, elle agit. Repeat करो आप. Il, elle agit. Nous agissons. Nous agissons. Vous agissez. And
Vous agissez.
Because EZ sound is A. EZ. Have you done right? EZ sound is A. And il, elle agissent. Il, elle agissent. And why agissent? Because NNT would be silent. Is it clear to you?
अगर इल लग रहा है तो इल के साथ हम लगाएंगे इल आशिश. अगर एल लग तो इल एल जा.
Clear? Is it clear to you? Clear? Now, mademoiselle.
Sorry, 1 second. Can you repeat the last one again? Il,
El, za, because S and A would be combined, right? Za, jis. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Clear? Now,
yes.
We have RE ending verb. Because we have 3 type of verbs in French. Okay. Now we have RE ending verb. Now, for example, we have verb descendre, right? So, what is the formula of RE ending verb? The formula of RE ending verb is S blank. 1 second. I'm just going 1 second, please. 1 second. S blank, okay, ONS, EZ, and ENT. So the formula of RE ending verb is S blank. I will explain to you what is this. ONS, EZ, ENT. Is it clear to you? Now over here, we have verb descendre. 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 Descendre is my verb to get down. Okay. Descendre is my verb to get down. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Now I have to remove RE. Okay. Je, DES, CENDS. Je descends. Tu, DES, CENDS. Tu descends. Clear? DES. Now over here we have blank. Blank. When we have blank, it means I have to insert DES CEND. It means no ending. Ending is blank. It is just I have to take out DES CEND from the top. Is it clear to you? So je they sont. Why they sont? Because en sound is on. Have you done? En sound is on, right?
Yeah.
And D and S is a consonant that would be silent. So je they sont, tu they sont, il elle they sont, clair? Nous they sont dont, vous they sont they, okay? And il elle they sont. Is it clear to you? So repeat after me. Je they sont, tu they sont, il elle they sont, nous they sont dont, vous they sont they, and il elle they sont. Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yeah, let me just write it down one sec. New this song वाला क्या था? New
Nous they sont dont,
song do. Yes.
je they sont, tu they sont, il elle they sont, nous they sont dont, vous they sont they, and il elle they sont. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Je they sont dont. Sorry. Je they sont.
Je des
Il elle they sont. Nous
il des
they sont dont.
New des sont do. Vous des
They sont
sont
they,
de.
and il elle they sont. Is it il elle they sont? Is it clear to you? Clear?
क्या है? Il elle des sont.
Il elle they sont. Exactly. Okay. So basically, this is my. These are the verbs basically. Clear. Now the verbs ending from er, we have a different formula.
Hello?
Yes. If the verb is ending from er, we have different formula. If the verb is ending from ir, we have a formula. And if the verb is ending from re, we have a formula. Is it clear to you?
No. I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
This are we saying this and then o, or we are saying this, they and so?
Il elle descend. Il elle descend.
This like
Why?
it
Why
es.
this? Why descend? Because ending is e, so we have to pronounce e now. Descend, descend, and n and t would be silent. Is it clear to you? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, for example, we have verb cuisine. Okay, we have verb cuisine. Okay. Now, cuisine is my verb to cook. Clear? Okay. So what I will do? I have to remove er, and because there's an er running verb. So je cuisine. Je cuisine. It means the formula of er running verb is e. Then with tu cuisine. Clear? Tu
Yeah.
cuisine. Okay. Il elle cuisine. Is it clear to you? Nous cuisinons. Nous cuisinons. Vous cuisinez. Okay. And il elle cuisine. Is it clear to you? Clear? So je cuisine, tu cuisines, il, elle cuisine, nous cuisinons, vous cuisinez, il, elle cuisine. Is it clear to you?
Clear.
Clear? Okay. Now, if I talk about ironing verb, we have a verb. Okay, well, let's take ironing verb. Attendre. Attendre. Attendre is my verb to wait. Attendre is my verb to wait. Is it clear to you? Let's take an example of ironing verb. Finir. Finir is my verb to finish. Now, what is the formula of ironing verb? So I will say, okay, ironing verb, we have formula of S blank, the formula of ironing verb. I will say, je, ATTENDS, because the formula of ironing verb is we have to insert S at the end. So over here we have two vowels. So j'attends, j'attends, tu attends, Claire, SS blank, il, elle, I have to remove RE. So left with ATTEND, but that a blank ending, no ending. So il, elle, attend, nous attendons. ONS ending, nous attendons. Claire, ONS, nous attendons. Don't worry, session is under recording. Today's session, why it is under recording? Because I know today's session you need the recording at any cost for the practice, right? Is it clear to you? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Vous attendez and ils, elles attendent. Is it clear to you? So repeat after me. J'attends, tu attends, il, elle attend, nous attendons, vous attendez, and ils, elles attendent. Is it clear to you?
Fast. Are you not able to hear me?
That's fine. I can hear you. Yes, speak up, please.
I was just you're fast. Can you go a little slow? So it's je to
J'attends, j'attends,
jeto.
tu
Are we
attends.
saying the last wala D or nahi?
No, we are not pronouncing D. See, whenever D E ending, then we can pronounce because we have to pronounce E. If the verb is ending from D S, we will not pronounce, right? But over here, we are pronouncing D E because it is not ending from D, it is ending from E. So that is j'attends, j'attends, j'attends. But over here, we are not pronouncing because it is DS. So j'attends, okay? J'attends,
फिर है tu,
attends,
a,
attends,
il, elle,
attends,
a, and then nous, za,
attends,
nous attendons,
donc, vous attendez,
de, il, elle,
attendent.
attendent.
Why is attend, mademoiselle? One thing you to understand, if my D ending, that's silent, but if we're inserting E at the end, that is D will be pronounced. Yes, il, el, attend. Is it clear to you? Because for example, you have an ending of S, would not pronounce. The once you have ending from SE, we will pronounce. I will say S. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Claire.
Why? So now we have finir. Finir. This is my I ending verb. So what is the formula of I ending verb? So je, fini, is ending, Claire. Tu, fini, say Claire. Il, elle, fini. Is it clear to you?
Elle, fini. Yes.
finissons,
nous
finissons,
finissons,
vous finissez, vous finissez, okay, and elle finissent. Is it clear to you?
yes,
So je finis, s ending silent, tu finis, s ending silent, elle finit, t ending silent, nous finissons, on sound is on and s will be silent. Clear? Clear? Vous
here,
finissez, I will explain to you again. Repeat after me. Je finis, repeat after me. Je finis,
finis,
tu
tu finis, elle finit, nous
finissons,
nous finissons,
vous
vous
finissez, vous finissez,
finissez,
and
ils
elles finissent.
finissent.
Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Now, for example, we have a verb présenter. Repeat after me. This is my ear-ending verb. Okay.
Okay.
Now, for example, we have verb présenter. Now, présenter is to present yourself. Présenter is to present yourself. Sometimes it happens that examiner asks you, présenter, s'il vous plaît. Présenter is to present yourself. So what you will do? Ear-ending verb. So je présente. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
It is just I have to insert je présente. Je présente. Now over here we have e ending, right? So t would be pronounced. Je présente. Clear? Tu présentes. We will insert es. Is it clear to you? Clear? Clear? Tu présente. The same es. Clear? Elle présente. Ending is e. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Here.
Clear? लिखो फिर आप इसको. Je présente. Tu
You
présente. Is it clear to you?
क्या इस ई के ऊपर कुछ आएगा?
ई के
Like, is
ऊपर
there
ए साउंड है ना, राइट? ए हमने किया था ना, ए साउंड, ए साउंड, ई ए साउंड, दैट इज ए साउंड. हैव यू डन ना? 4 type of e we have done, right? 4 type of e.
Yes, we did.
Sorry,
Yes, we did.
right? So tu présente, elle présente, ending is e. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Can we do that? Nous présentons. Présente, we have elle présente. Okay. Nous présentons. Clear? Because we have ONS ending. Vous présentez, we have EZ ending. And elle présente. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
So over here we have E A sound, E A sound, E A sound, and E A sound. So this is my verb to présenter. Is it clear to you? Clear? So présenter is my verb to present. Is it clear to you? So repeat after me. Je présente, tu présentes, il, elle présente, nous présentons, vous présentez, and il, elle présente. Is it clear to you? Clear, mademoiselle? Clear?
Yes. Sorry, are you not able to hear me?
Sometimes. So I don't know the reason behind this. Okay. So the next we have verb is refuser. Refuser is my verb to refuse. To refuse. So because this is my e-running verb, okay. So that's how you can do the practice. I will give you a lot of verbs of e-running. It is just you have to make a formula and you will send it back to me so that it will be come in the practice. Okay, simple. Je refuse, e ending. Tu refuse, s ending. Clear. Il, elle refuse. Clear.
Refuse.
Okay. Nous refusons. Nous,
New
nous
refusons.
refusons. Clear. Is it clear to you? So it's going to repeat after me, s'il vous plaît. Repeat after me. Repeat it, please, s'il vous plaît.
Refuse.
Mm-hmm.
You refuse.
Mm-hmm.
Then il, elle refuse.
Mm-hmm.
Then
No.
you,
Se would be pronounced because if we have a consonant se, that is sir. So je refuse, tu refuse. This se would be pronounced, and that would be silent. Tu refuse. Clear. Il, elle refuse. बोलो आप इसको आप शुरू से.
je refuse.
Mm-hmm.
You refuse.
Mm-hmm.
Il, elle refuse.
Mm-hmm.
Nous
Refuse.
refuse. Vous refusez.
Refuse.
Refusez, sorry. And then il, elle refuse.
Refuse. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Yes.
Right? Now, for example, we have verb pardonner. Pardonner. Repeat after
Pa,
me. Pardonner. Pardonner is my verb to pardon. To pardon me. You know, we say pardon in English. So that is pardonner. Is it clear to you? So this is my ear ending verb. So tell me the formula of ear ending verb. Je pardonne. Clear.
can you give me, let me just write it down. Just a second, please. How do we pronounce it? Pardonner.
Yes, pardonner. Is it clear to you? Clear?
So A R क्या होता है?
1 second. Huh? Yes, ma'am. Yes, tell me. Par. A sound is a. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
हम पर where are we not pronouncing R, the middle one? Pardonner.
We will. Pardonner. Je pardonne.
But
Pardonne.
we are saying pardon, right? Not pardon.
No. Pardon. Pardon. Je.
So we don't pronounce R in
We,
French.
we are pronounced. The R we call as air. Air. So that's a sound. Pardon. Pardon. Is it clear to you? Je pardon. Repeat after me. Je pardon. You can say pardon. That's fine. That's not a problem. So that's a sound. Basically, you will come to know student gradually. Je pardonne. Clear? Tu
You pardon.
is it clear to you? Okay.
Yes.
Elle pardonne. Is it
El pardon.
okay? Nous pardonnons. Nous
Pa-
pardonnons. Okay. Vous pardonnez.
Vous
Vous
pardonnez.
pardonnez. Is it clear to you? And elle pardonne.
El pardon.
Is it clear to you? D-O-N-N-E-N-T. Elle pardonne. Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Clear.
Clear? Repeat it, please.
Then je pardon.
Je. E sound is a, clair. Je pardonne. Okay.
Je, je pardonne.
Je pardonne. Je pardonne. Is it clear to you?
Okay. Je pardonne.
You pardonne. Is it clear to you?
Pardon.
Elle pardonne.
Pardon.
Did you?
Il pardonne.
Nous
Nous
pardonne.
pardonnons.
Is it clear to you?
Vous pardonnez.
And
And
elle pardonne.
pardon.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now repeat it, please. Now we have form. Now, for example, we have verb. Okay. We have verb. I will give the verb, and you have to conjugate now for yourself. Okay. For example, we have verb supposer. Répétez après moi. Supposer. Supposer is my verb to assume. You know, to suppose. Supposer. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Suppose. Is it clear to you?
Yes, clear.
Suppose is my verb to suppose. Is it clear to you?
Clear,
Clear?
clear.
So, again, we have same formula. Year ending verb. Clear? So, I will say, je suppose. Is it clear to you? Tu suppose. Is it clear to you? Elle suppose. Is it clear to you? Nous supposons.
New.
Clear to you? Simple. We are doing the same formula of e-running verb, right? Vous supposez. Clear?
Il, else, po.
Yes. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, for example, we have a verb épouser. Répétez après moi. Épouser. Épouser. Épouser is my verb to, marry. To marry. Épouser. Épouser. Répétez après moi. Épouser. Repeat after me, mademoiselle. Épouser. Épouser is my verb to marry. Is it clear to you? So what I will do? J'épouse.
J'épouse.
Is it clear to you?
Tu épouses.
You can make E upper, okay, A accent, thank you. Tu épouses.
Épouse.
Elle épouse. Clear? Nous épousons. Nous
J'ai.
épousons. Clear? Vous épousez. Is it clear to you? And elle épouse. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Can you tell me the first word again? Zepus.
Je pousse.
And the last one il el pus.
Il el man ze pousse, because we have S combined, right? We have to combine SE. Ze pousse. Clear?
Il el ze pus. मतलब
It,
ending same. वो भी पूज है, ये भी पूज है.
yes, because we have N and T would be silent, right? Clear?
पर फिर फर्क क्या हुआ? जैसे इसमें ई एन टी इज साइलेंट.
राइटिंग
ये
में हुआ
सिर्फ
ना, हम राइटिंग में अगर मान लो वी आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल कैसे फर्क हुआ देखो, मैं कह रहा हूँ द पीपल, lot of people are marrying, they are doing marrying. Okay, lot of people marry, I will say lot of people, or even I can say the people marry. Simple. It means I'm asking for a people is always a plural. The people marry. Is it clear to you? I will say les gens. Gens, we have people. Les, why? Because there's a plural. Have you done la, la, les?
no.
Chalo, I will say les gens. I will explain to you why. Gens, we have people. Gens. Lot of people अब marry है, lot of people है. I will insert this ending. Les gens s'épousent. This is a फर्क. Because if we have plural, I will insert ent. Otherwise, my sentence would be wrong. Is it clear to you? Gens épousent because lot of people marry. Is it clear to you?
A little.
Slowly, gradually, you will come to know. Gens, why? Because people, lot of people, plural, we have ent. If I will say I marry, so I am a single, I will say j'épouse because I am married. I marry. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Is it? Even people, lot of people I am talking about. Les gens. Now people are plural, so ent ending. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Clear? Okay. Is it clear to you?
Can you explain this one more time, please?
Simple है. Whenever we have lot of people, then it is ent ending. Whenever we are single, that is e, j'épouse. Ent is always for a plural, right? So gens, people, gens, 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 gens. Gens is people, gens épouse. Lot of people. For people, plural, we have ent ending. That's what it is mentioning over here. Is it clear to
Oh,
you?
yeah, sounds good.
Right? Now, for example, we have invité. Invité is my verb to invite. Okay? Invité. So what I will do?
How
J'aime.
would I remember these words? मतलब ये कैसे याद रहेगा मेरे को?
कैसे? In sound is un.
I'm saying, how would I remember these words?
ये तो आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है ना, जैसे अब आपने इंग्लिश में कैसे लर्न किया है. You learn the vocabularies, right? Invité. Invité is to invite. ये तो आपको अब जैसे if you talk about other language, uh, like what we do in Hindi, invite, invite करना, you know, निमंत्रण. So we learn निमंत्रण is to, right? So that how we can learn on this. I will give the vocabularies अभी, you practice those vocabularies. क्योंकि ये प्रैक्टिस से आएगा आपको ना. एवीते आज इसका प्रैक्टिस करोगे, you will do practice and you will come to know. I will send you a lot of verbs, ear-ending verbs, only ear-ending verbs. You have to conjugate the verbs because you have to do practice now. Now, how you learn this, I will explain to you.
और नहीं, पर ये तो ठीक है, like I'll put the formula, like ये तो मेरे को समझ आ गया कि you know how to do it.
Okay.
But like how would I see कि
That's why I'm saying I will send you the lot of verbs of e-learning verb. You will jot down the verb, conjugate the verb. The ones you will conjugate the verb, these verbs will fix in your mind. That's what we can do practice.
नहीं वो तो ठीक है, पर I'm saying how would I know कि अच्छा if I'm pronouncing it right या नहीं.
आप मुझे अपना वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग भेजो ना, आप मुझे पूछो, क्वेश्चन पूछो. अब एम वीते है, एम वीते मेरा सेशन, द सेशन इज अंडर रिकॉर्डिंग, राइट? सी द रिकॉर्डिंग. एम वीते, आयन साउंड इज ए, आयन साउंड इज ए. क्योंकि आपको कैसे पता लगेगा कि आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग डिसेंट और रॉन्ग, मे बी इट इज राइट और रॉन्ग? बिकॉज जब हम इसका ओरल करते हैं, व्हेनेवर वी डू स्पीकिंग पोर्शन बैक टू बैक, सो यू प्रोनाउंस द वर्ब्स, राइट? आई इनवाइट यू, je vous invite. सो आपको सिखाऊंगा वो मैं. लेकिन अभी आप वर्ब्स कॉन्जुगेशन सीख रहे हैं, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, कैसे करना है, जिसे मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ. You have to, whatever we have done today, send me your task, writing task and your oral task, your speaking task. You have to send me your voice recording so that I will calculate where is mistake in terms of pronunciation. Clear? So whatever we have done today, now we are doing today, and the ones will finish the class today, you have to submit your voice recording of entire verbs with conjugation. Now, for example, we have invite, because in sound is invite. So you will say j'invite. So for this j'invite, you have to send me your voice recording. You will say tu invites. This tu invite, you have to send me your voice recording. Clear?
Okay.
Elle invite. This elle invite, you have to send me your voice recording. Vous invitons. Vous invitons. You have to send it back to me, your voice recording. Clear? Okay? Nous invitons. Sorry, vous invitez. It's my mistake. And nous invitons. Nous invitons. We have we invite. And elle invite. Elle invite. Is it clear to you? So j'invite, tu invites, elle invite, vous invitez, nous invitons, and elles invitent. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
So now, mademoiselle, मैं आपको कुछ वर्ब्स देता हूँ करने के लिए. क्लियर? सेशन में इतना हैवी नहीं लेके जाऊंगा आज, क्योंकि जी मेरे को आप थोड़ा सा आज आपको ओवरव्यू देना था कि हाउ द लैंग्वेज वर्क्स. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड यू ईयर एंडिंग वर्ब लिस्ट in your WhatsApp, right? I'm going to send you few list of e-learning verbs wherein you have to conjugate the verb, because now you know the concept of e-learning verb, right? So I'm not sending ir and re also, I'm just sending e-learning verb so that you will jot down the verb in a notepad, you will conjugate the verb in a notepad, and you submit your voice recording. Is it clear to you? So let me send it to you. मैं जो भी आपको वर्ब भेज रहा हूँ उसका आपको वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग भी सबमिट करूंगा अभी, सो दैट आपको दिक्कत ना आए. रुको 1 second. Whatever verb I am sending to you, okay, I will share the voice recording also. 1 second.
So ये first का क्या है? J'invite.
J'invite, j'invite, j'invite,
J'invite. फिर
j'invite,
है no,
tu invites,
no, vi. Il
invite.
Per nous
Invitons.
invitons. Then vous invitez.
Vous invitez. Il
Oh, yeah. And then elle
invite.
invite. Yeah, okay.
Abîmer is to abîmer, aimer, aimer, arriver, arriver, bouger, bouger, brosser, brosser, changer, changer, chanter, chanter, chercher, 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 commencer, commencer, corriger, corriger, danser, danser, demander, demander. I need WhatsApp. What is this?
Listening to whatever you're saying, yeah.
Is it not? Oh,
What was the first one again?
1 second. Why it's not coming? 1 second. Okay.
बस ऑडियो नहीं आई पर आई
Okay.
मैसेज
Sorry, मेरा audio नहीं आया. I will send it to you. 1 second.
ओ अभी आ गया
आ
It's
बी
only-
में नो ये दूसरा है. ये थोड़ा बाय मिस्टेक आया. ओके. आ बी में ए में arriver, arriver, bouger, bouger, brosser, brosser, changer, changer, chanter, chanter, chercher, chercher, commencer, commencer, corriger, 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 danser, danser. Why danser? Because an sound is on. Demander. Why demander? Because an sound is on. Check your voice record. अब इससे क्या होगा, जैसे जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आपका वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग होगा. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? इज इट क्लियर टू यू?
clear. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Okay. So you want me to send me other few verbs also that now, or is it digestible for you? Because sometimes the session should be digested for you. So you tell me these verbs, the verb I sent it to you, is it fine or you need more verbs?
Because हमने क्लास में भी इतने किए हैं so I'll just practice these.
चलो अच्छा, अब एक काम करते हैं. What I will do is I will share the entire recording of my session, today's session. Okay, right? Watch those recording. After watching this recording, submit your sound. Is it clear to you? And do the conjugation of new verbs. It is just ear ending verb, insert ear formula, remove ear formula, and remove ear and insert a formula of EESE. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear, Mademoiselle Rhythm?
Claire.
Okay. So अभी मैं आपसे रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर कर रहा हूँ. Claire, watch the recording please. Write in your notepad entire thing. Submit your voice so that I will come to know these type of activities you have to do. Okay. And
Okay.
the verbs I send it to you, conjugate the verbs in notepad and send it back to me. Okay, Claire? ठीक है.
कल हमारी क्लास है. Do we have a class tomorrow?
हाँ कल है क्लास mademoiselle, कल है क्लास.
And what time?
कल we have a class at same time 9:30.
ठीक है.
Okay, Claire.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but if there only for 2 and 3 days we are 9:30, then I will shift to at 7:30. Okay, right?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
All right, sure. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.